Hi guys, this is Viewman. I'm back with another tutorial. This one is on request from few people on YouTube. I'm gonna show you how to make your unit speak with sound. First of all, you need to know few things. First thing is you need to make some wave sound files. Use your microphone or whatever you want your unit to speak, to say. Then you need to convert that wave files to OGG files, because that's the format for Arma that Arma use, and it can read. Next, you have to pay attention that sound files are 16-bit mono, because if you make them stereo or whatever, they usually don't work. Next thing you need is this file here, description.ext, in your mission folder. So in this case, I have in my Viewman channel template Stratus this file. If you don't have one, just create it, but pay attention to make it with ext extension. What's next? I usually make one folder for my sound files, and this is where my sounds are stored. This is the path to these sound files. And what is this? This is what you need to put in your description.ext file, so that Arma knows about your sound files. And this is the list of sounds. I have 3 for this tutorial. If you need more, you will put comma here and say message 4, message 3, or whatever. For each of these, you need to define it. Message 1 is class 1 message 1 with the name message 1. This here doesn't have to say message 1, you can say hello, whatever. Just remember what you use here, because this is the call name for this sound in the Arma mission editor. So if you need more of this sounds, let's say message 4, you're gonna copy this class 3 and change it to message 4, message 4, message 4. And also you will have to have a message 4 OGG file, so you'll need a message 4 OGG sound file in your folder here. This is all we need for this tutorial. We're gonna have 3 persons in Arma editor. One guy's gonna say this, his name is Mark. This here, message 2, is gonna be me, and the third guy is gonna be, I don't know, Tony, let's say, for example. He's gonna say message 3. So this is all you need for these 3 sounds. So we're gonna go in Arma editor and use this, but first I just wanna show you this is my sound files in SS folder. So you have to have every sound that unit will say. There's no using Arma files or something like that. You have to make it yourself. First, make it in WAV file and then convert it to OGG. And that's it for now. Let's go in Arma editor to make this tutorial work. Okay, we are in Arma editor and we have three persons. This is me, this is Mark, and this is Tony, I believe. I said we're gonna call the third person. Now, let's make them speak. First we need this guy to react first. So how are we gonna make this? Let's make this when I approach to him, then he's gonna say first message. We're gonna create trigger. I'm gonna make this 2 by 2. I'm gonna group this with me. If you confused why I'm making this or don't know why I'm grouping this trigger, you can check out my other tutorials. Just bear with me now. So when I approach this trigger, it's gonna be group leader 2 by 2 activation group leader. Okay, on act we're gonna put, let me just check out this guy's name, Mark. Okay, Mark on act. Mark say message 1, and that's it. So when I approach this guy, he's gonna say first message. Now to respond to like a response to this first message, we need to say something. So we're gonna do this by radio trigger. Let's make it radio alpha. We don't need this. On act view man say message 2. Okay, and now we need a third guy to come here to say his part. So I'm gonna use waypoint for this. The speed limited, so he's gonna look cool, not Russian, and careless. And come here, and on act he's gonna say Tony say message 3. Okay, and that's it. We're gonna synchronize this. So when we respond to first message with radio trigger, he's gonna start his path here and say his thing. So I think I got this right, so let's preview how this looks. Okay, there's our guys. Let's do it.
Hey VU, what's up?
Now we're gonna respond with radio alpha.
Hey Mark. We are making some tutorial today.
Oh man, it is not a best time. I have cold. Sorry about that.
And that was the third guy. And that's basically it. If you wanna bear with me, I will show you how to add text to look this even better. So in this message 1, I have text here what I prepared with the sound, so I'm gonna just copy it so this tutorial doesn't last too long. It's too long already, but bear with me guys. We're gonna put this mark side chat and put this here. Okay. Next, this is my text. We're gonna copy it and put it in this trigger and do this. View man, side, chat, and put this text here. Okay. And for the third guy, let's copy this text and put it here. His name is Tony, so we're gonna use Tony, side, chat, and put the text here. You don't need to use side chat. You can use global chat, vehicle chat, or whatever. For this tutorial, I'm just using side chat, and we don't need this text markers anymore. So let's preview how this looks. Okay.
Hey VU, what's up?
Now we will press radio alpha.
Hey Mark. We are making sound tutorial today.
Oh man, it is not a best time. I have cold. Sorry about that.
Okay, and that's it. If you want to change alpha 1.1, alpha 1.2, we can do this very quickly and with some modules. Just set call sign. Okay, 1 is for me, view man. We're gonna put it here. I'm just gonna copy it so it will be faster. This is for Mark. We're gonna name Mark, and another one for Tony guy, Tony over here. And we're gonna synchronize these modules with all of the guys. And let's preview for the last time. I hope you're not gone fallen to sleep. Okay, let me just do this quickly.
Hey VU, what's up?
Now our response.
Hey Mark. We are making sound tutorial today.
Oh
And the
man,
third guy.
it is not a best time. I have cold. Sorry about that.
Okay, and that's it. This tutorial is finished, and another one is coming after this. We're gonna use radio chat with a sound. So don't forget subscribe or comment on YouTube, and thanks for watching. That's all. Bye bye.